I need to fetch the price based on the accommodation and the location in this table. The problem is we have accommodation in the column and the location on the header part in this table. Accommodation type Woodland, location is Kent, the price is 147, which is the intersection of these two data in this table. So we will learn how we can achieve this using the XLOOKUP advanced function. So let's get started. We will achieve this using the two-way lookup using the XLOOKUP function. We will start typing our function XLOOKUP. We will give the lookup value to accommodation first. I have converted this table into the official table. That is why accommodation name is coming instead of cell number. Comma, lookup array would be my accommodation column. Comma, return array. I will again use the XLOOKUP, which is the advanced uses for two-way lookup, which is called XLOOKUP inside the XLOOKUP. So again I will type XLOOKUP. This time the lookup value would be the location, comma, array would be the header part where we have locations, and the return array would be the complete price range. Now I will close both the XLOOKUPs and press enter, and we got our answer. We can cross check. ID number 2115, we have accommodation type is tree house, location is Yorkshire. So tree house and the Yorkshire is 160, which is coming over here. So this is how you can use the advanced use of XLOOKUP. Like, comment and subscribe for such advanced uses of Excel. Thank you.